to let me wax his legs, and this is what it looks like.
Oh my God! Come on! Just do it slow, fast, fast. Rip it! Just come on! Hurry! It's ripping skin! Jesus!
The first month that you got back, it was off of $5 million worth of promotional deals. And
Come
today's
on,
money,
just
that's
rip
like
it.
$65 million.
Oh my God!
I mean, it's definitely cool. It's in great shape, and you still even have the goggles.
Come on, rip it fast!
Yeah, I'm looking for my wife, my daughter.
I can't handle it. I can't take it. I can't take it. I can't take it. God!
My daughter's ring,
Dang.
and she's great.
Okay.
Do it fast. Christian, do it fast. Do it fast. Ah! Oh my God! Oh! Faster, 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 please faster. Oh God! Oh my God! Oh! I feel like you're ripping my skin. Come on, please, just a little faster. Please. Please. This is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt. This is going that way. Dang. God, that hurts. Come on, Chris. Come on.
I'll tell you what.
Going from the
Oh,
side.
I can't talk. Oh, I can't talk. Oh, 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 God.
Going from the side.
He's having spasms. Oh,
Going from the side.
oh, oh. Good God. Time out. Time out. I don't care if it hardens up or not.
Yeah, it seemed like you would not.
Oh, what in the heck did you just do? You better hurry up. It's hardening.
You ain't joking.
Oh, God. You better rip it. Rip it. Rip it. Just rip it. Come on. Ah. Just rip it. Ah. Oh.
She's getting so much pleasure.
Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah.
That's the one going hurt.
Rip it. Rip it. Mama laughing. Mama laughing. Oh. Shoot. God. Oh.
Christy.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh, you done?
Oh, she's done. It's over.
Oh, shoot. I thought you were done. Come on, just real fast. Real fast. Real fast, just rip it. Rip it. Just rip it. Just rip it fast. Rip it. Oh! Oh, God! See? Oh! Oh! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Rip it fast.
I don't think it's from the 20s. Okay. The main reason
Just trying to extend your pain. You know that.
I know. I love you, Christian. You don't have to do this. Oh, God. Oh, shoot. Oh, come on. Oh, you just got one.
No!
Oh, come on. Just rip it. Ow. Oh. Oh. Come on. Jesus. Oh. Oh, God.
I think you've met your match. You like pain, she likes to.
I love it. Please, just rip. Ow. Keep hitting it with your sleeve. Rip it. Just rip it.
So what were you looking to do with it? Sell it. And what do you want to
You
do?
don't have to do it like that.
Oh.
Oh.
Go on, Casey.
God.
Come on, girl.
Please, deliver me. Son! Come on! Just get it, please. Just finish. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. That hurt worse than any of it. Oh.
Is it done?
No. Son! Come on, just rip that one part off.
Alright, man, 350.
No, you're ripping my hair out. You're just ripping hairs.
That there ain't. What's a little bit left there ain't gonna hurt.
It's stop! Good.
Hold on, there's still a little bit left.
Holy crap!
How's it feel, Corey?
Let her do it again. Let her do it again.
No.
Are you crying?
No.
He's crying.
It's smooth.
I think there's a little bit more.
No, it's not. There's no more.
Yeah, there is.
There's no more. I'm bleeding. God. I'm sweating, and it's not even cold. Hot.
I think you're crying.
Okay,
That's a
so
tear.
Here, everybody.
Here was the first one.
That's my tribute to Eddie James Ministry.
And that one's to Jesus.
That was to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ.
What's next? One for your mom?
No, I don't love my mama that much. Love y'all.
Some casinos get 70%